This is the easiest angel food cake parfait you'll ever make. So we're going to start with some cold milk and we're going to add in the goodness, the white chocolate instant jello pudding. We're going to whisk that for 2 minutes, whisk the entire 2 minutes to dissolve the pudding mixture fully. And then we're going to fold in some thawed Cool Whip. Gently fold, lightly. We're incorporating air here. Now slice up those washed berries. I like to slice mine in small chunks, but you can do bigger chunks if you like. And this is a store-bought angel food cake. Remember, quick and easy. I'm going to cut those into 1-inch cubes. And this entire recipe is on my blog, chynabsweets.com. If you want to go ahead and check it out, I will leave a link in the description box below. And we're just going to begin layering our cake and our berries, topped with some of that creamy good pudding. Spread it out evenly with an offset spatula and repeat. I like to save a few berries for garnish, and there you have it. This parfait is bursting with sweetness of the berries, the lightness of the angel food cake, and the creaminess of the white chocolate pudding. It is a true masterpiece, and it is super quick and super easy. If you do try this recipe, let me know. I'd love to hear your feedback in the comments below. And until next time, stay sweet.